Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. Now let's open up Google Chrome right here. And from here, at the top right of the Google Chrome is three dots, so tap on that and click on Settings at the bottom part of this menu. From here, we go to Privacy and Security from the options at the left part. Scroll down a bit. And under the Privacy and Security section, we see a third-party cookies option, so tap on that. And from here, we can manage the types of information sites can use to track you as you browse. Make sure that yours is set to block third-party cookies in incognito mode. And if, for example, it is set to block third-party cookies, you can set it again at block third-party cookies in incognito mode. From here, we can also make sure that this option right here is toggled off. For example, if it is turned on like this, turn it off by clicking on this toggle button right here so that it will not send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. If you don't see these options right here, we can click on About Chrome from the options we have on the left part of the screen, and Chrome will automatically check for updates if your Google Chrome browser is up to date. For example, mine is currently updating, and your Google Chrome should be up to date to make sure that you have the latest settings to enable cookies on your Google Chrome on Windows. Now that it is up to date, you can then relaunch it and configure your settings again to enable your cookies. And that is how you can basically enable cookies on Google Chrome on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.